Hi guys, welcome to Engineers YouTube channel, and today we're going to solve problem number 2 of our Solve Problems in General Chemistry series. So for problem number 2, we have naturally occurring argon consists of 3 isotopes, the atoms of which occur in the following abundances. So we have argon 36, which is 0.34%, argon 38, which is 0.07%, and argon 40, which is 99.59%. So calculate the atomic weight of argon using the below nucleic masses. Okay, so for argon 36, we have 35.9676. For argon 38, we have 37.9627. And for argon 40, we have 39.9624. And of course, we have our choices here that we can choose from once we finish our calculation. Now, to make it easier, let me write the percent abundance here next to our nucleic masses so that it will be easier for us to calculate. Okay, so for argon 36, we have 0.34%. For argon 38, we have 0.07%. And for argon 40, we have 99.59%. Alright, so now let us proceed with our calculation. Well, by the way, we already discussed and solved sample problem like this in our lecture video. That is why for this example, we are just going to directly solve the problem without further explaining the procedures that we are doing. So if you want to learn more about this, I recommend to please watch our lecture video about isotopes and calculating the atomic weight of an element using the percent abundance of its isotopes. Okay, but for now we're going to solve this problem, and we're going to start by writing our required, which is the atomic weight of argon. So our element is argon, and we need to find its atomic weight. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is to multiply the nucleic mass of each argon to its percent abundance, and we're going to sum all of that. So let us start with argon 36. So the nucleic mass is 35.9676. Then we're going to multiply that to its percent abundance. So we're going to convert this into fractions. So we're going to move our decimal 2 units to the left. So 1, 2. So we will have 0.0034. Okay, so we converted that into decimal now. Then we're going to add to argon 38, which is 37.9627. Multiplied to its percent abundance, we will convert that to decimal. So we will move this 2 units to the left. So we have 0.0007. Then finally, for argon 40, we have 39.9624 multiplied to its percent abundance. We're going to convert into decimal, so we will have 0.9959. Okay, so basically that's only what we have to do. Now we have to use our calculator in order to get the atomic weight of argon. Okay, so let's bring out our calculator and start our computation. So we have 35.9676 multiplied to 0.0034 plus 37.9627 multiplied to 0.0007, then plus our last term, we have 39.9624 multiplied to 0.9959. Okay, so our final answer here is 39.95 by rounding up our answer here. Okay, so we will have 39.95 atomic mass unit. So this is our final answer to problem number 2, which is letter A in our choices. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you very much and have a nice day.